Hi, it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I am back with another video, and this time I am showcasing the Vicki Boutin. I don't know if I said that right. Vicki Boutin, sounds right. Her Where to Next card making kit. Now this is a little bit older kit, and the reason I brought it out was because I have videos of some of her mixed media project kits and ephemera kits that are in some past videos. So if you want to check those out, they're the last 4 or 5. Last one I did was on a mini album, but this one is I thought, oh, you know what, I should do one kind of a follow-up to the ones from this creator. She has a big line of products at Joann's, and as most of you know, Joann's going out of business. You can still find these online at scrapbook.com, maybe on Amazon, I'm not sure, but this one I bought them, I think, at scrapbook.com. So here, this shows you on the back that there's all kinds of items. It actually gives you 20 cards, 4 designs of each. No, 5. Okay, so there's 5 design, 4 cards of each design. There we go. And 56 stickers, 8 washi strips, some pop dots, envelopes, and some ephemera. So let me open this up. I haven't actually opened it up. I've had it for a little while. The reason I wanted to show this was because these are really cute kits you can get with all kinds of, American craft products. They came out with them more recently. I have some from Paige Evans. I have a couple other ones that I'll share too. And just to give you inspiration, if you're like, having a little trouble, it's been a hard winter for a lot of people, I know. If you want to just get started doing some card projects, or make some special scrapbooking pages, here you go. There's some stickers here, cute hearts. Okay, there's some like washi type of materials. This is like a washi tape. It's very thin and very delicate, very pretty. Okay, and she loves cameras. So this is a traveling, like vacation. This is called Where to Next. I assume she wasn't thinking about traveling. This is from probably a year or 2 ago. I think I got it. So yeah. So first, let me show you the cards. That one I guess was just put on the top for aesthetics. These are green with gold foil, very cute, with some gold foiling on the back. I guess they can be used in either way. Okay, very nice and thick cards. You can hear how thick they are. Good quality. They, can be covered up, so if you don't like the patterns, you can just use them as cards. Okay, and with your scrapbook page, your pattern paper or whatever on top of them. This is really masculine looking, which is always good because I always need, I want to send cards to guys too, so this would be good. It looks like graduation, which is going to be coming up a couple months. So there, you got that. Here's a blue one, also pretty masculine looking. Oh, this is the one that goes with this. Either way, you can use it. Okay. And the good thing about these cards is that if you don't like it, you can just cover it up. And sometimes what I do, look, this one has an aperture. This is actually a circle cut into the card, so you can like make a shaker card, or you can make it just something on the inside that will shine through. Really cool. But if you don't like that, cover it up. Really pretty pink on the back with a checkered design. Okay. I like these kits because you get good quality things and a lot for a pretty good, decent price. There's 561 pieces in this Where to Next card making kit, and so just, I think that counts all the little stickers and all these like foam dots probably. But anyway, so here's some green ones. Those are cool too. So they're pretty plain type of cards, so they can be decorated pretty nicely. You won't have to worry about, oh, I'm covering up something really pretty. Some cards that you get in these kits, you want to just use the card and not decorate it so much. So there's the envelopes. Good, nice, thick envelopes too. They're not real flimsy. Like, I'm not trying to promote this brand. I just want to show how things you can get that are pretty inexpensive and make your life a lot easier. If you're into card making, sometimes you just need a boost, Sometimes you need help to get stuff put together. I know I die cut and stamp and do all kinds of things on my own, and it's great, but I've been lately not well, so I have arthritis, and I have Ehlers Danlos syndrome, which I talked about last time, which makes it hard. Sometimes my hands get tight and stiff, and yeah, so I have a little trouble, so sometimes I need a little help. Okay, I can't always do lots of card making activities all the time, but sometimes I want to be creative and make cards. I just love it. I mean, look at the gold foiling on that butterfly. It's so pretty. So here's the ephemera. Here's like thinking of you. Nice little sentiments. These are pretty thick too. You can feel how solid, how they're actually quite sturdy. So, and they're not stickers, they're die cuts. So what you have to do is, put glue on the back, or I usually use a tape runner, which I get from Scott. I like the Scott tape runners the best. But, you do whatever you want. I also like Tombow adhesive, but sometimes I get other things too. So it just depends. Oh, there's one tag, which is cute. It's like an old-fashioned, like, I guess paper from like a notebook. So yeah, so these are really, some pretty decorative things, very colorful. And you can use them on the cards. You can use them in your scrapbooking, planners, scrapbooks, in your albums, mini albums. Yeah, projects. It's, it's just fun to have the die cuts, or things to pop up. Excuse me. Yeah, you can pop up on a card, something very easy. Get some, look how pretty that is, just like that, right? So you use your imagination, and yeah, check out the other products that I'll be showing. I want to showcase some from Paige Evans, who I just love her stuff too. Her and I guess Vicki are my favorites from the American Crafts. Yeah, so come back and see those, and have a very good weekend whenever you're watching this. Take a moment to subscribe, and check out my other videos, and hopefully I'll be able to keep doing this for as long as possible. So thanks. Bye.